How y'all doing, people? This is my diesel heater setup in a camper van. This is a 5 kilowatt diesel heater from eBay. Metal shield, metal. Runs off my Jackery. All right, don't mind my untaped connections. This is where the diesel exhaust is. I gotta adjust that. It's hitting my tire. My tire's already hot. It's working right now, perfectly fine. So the way I did it, I put washers behind I don't know if you guys can see that, for not touch the wall of the gas tank. I put washers so it's in there, like it has space back there, so I could open up the cap. I have the diesel line and the electric line going to the floor. I put a fire block where I cut the hole. Gotta put some of this because there's wood over there. You know, the diesel pump, the fuel pump is underneath there. Let me see if I can get under there. But man, it's quite hard on this man. See, I cut a hole over there. The fuel pump is right there. The air fuel filter is right there. I gotta get another pipe for the exhaust because it's going straight to the tire. That's not good. It gets really, really hot. Yeah, that's my setup. That's the fire block, the gray fire block. Not too bad. It's like my second or third time installing these diesel heaters, running off the Jackery right now. After the beginning cycle. The beginning cycle is 140, 135 watts on the bottom. Now it's like 39 something. It'll drop to like 30s because I have it on high setting right there. Not too shabby. Yeah, I gotta get another pipe for that exhaust. Oh yeah. Very easy setup, very easy. And I have the different controller. I never had this style of controller. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Wow, it's not focusing. That's interesting. There you go. This is my first time having this style controller. It's not that easy. It did its prime on its own. I was worried about that. Besides that, it did its own prime. Now I just gotta get all the wiring set up and everything. Should be all set. Press off. I press off. Let's see what happens. 41. See now, it's quiet now. Ooh, my tire is hot. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get another pipe. It's not a good location because my truck has the floorboards. Why is this not focusing? Holy moly. Alright, there you go. The floorboard couldn't do a nice job. I need more piping, so I will be ordering more. Besides that, it's a nice setup. Get yourself a Jackery. I don't want to connect to the truck. Don't want to kill the battery. I gotta get solar panels on top. But besides that, this is how you set it up. Very easy. I made a hole on the ground and then I mounted the plate and then I threw this in there. Connect your exhaust pipe, connect your air pipe, and then connect your fuel line, and then fuel line to fuel pump, and then fuel pump to the air filter. Fuel filter, and then that line will come up to your tank. The tank is a little hard. You gotta watch videos. It's not that easy to do. There's techniques. You gotta learn that. Other than that, the hardest part is the tank, getting this nipple in there. You know, that's the hardest part, I'll tell you that. Other than that, if you got the right tools, you'll set it up easy. See you guys.